Hey everyone, and welcome back to Crypto Universe. In today's episode, we're diving into an intriguing new venture in the crypto world known as 1x. The platform is emerging as a comprehensive ecosystem tailored for institutional traders and is aiming to skyrocket. But before we delve in, a quick reminder: as you know, this video is not for financial advice, so please conduct your own research before investing. Alright guys, with that being said, let's explore the 1x platform and check out what's in it for you. 1x is transforming the trading landscape with its innovative universal trading board. This platform is a goldmine for traders, offering a range of features including risk management, depth of market, AI news, and algo trading. Notably, 1x also caters to visually impaired users, demonstrating their commitment to inclusivity. The platform has also secured significant support with partnerships from major investment firms like Golden Gate and Shisha Finance. Main features of this project are AI news, algo trading, Smart DOM, risk management and trading board, and their 1x token. First things first, we're gonna start with AI news. This is a revolutionary tool in trading, far more than just a news aggregator. It uses advanced machine learning to provide real-time news analysis, which is essential in the crypto world. Their AI news system quickly gathers unique news from global sources and condenses it into a concise summaries coupled with sentiment analysis. What's also good about this feature is the fact that it also personalizes the news feed according to your trading preferences. The Algo Trading component offers over 90 pre-built trading bots and the ability to run thousands of bots simultaneously. This is ideal for large-scale traders and includes a back-office statistic module for performance analysis and supports both crypto and traditional markets. Traders can as well write their own scripts, and the platform provides automated PDF reports, historical data access, and various notification channels like Telegram and emails. Next is the 1x's Smart DOM, which is an advanced tool for managing trading positions, offering real-time market analysis and one-click order placement. It features 6 types of clusters for volume assessment, 5 modules for price prediction, a comprehensive risk manager, and a scale of buy and sell intensity. The Smart DOM is also connected to crypto exchanges and global stock exchanges, which enhances its analytical capabilities with interactive charts and option trading features. Their risk management system offers real-time monitoring of trading sessions, future operations setup, and a unified interface for professional trading companies. It allows customization of traded instruments, funds management, commission structures, and leverage and drawdown limits. The system also supports sub-account creation and provides comprehensive statistics for risk assessment. Next is their trading board, which is a hub of functionality and speed, supporting various trading forms like spot, margin, futures, and options. Their trading board features multi-currency wallets, a microsecond engine for fast data processing, API-based fast and fixed protocol, then the algorithmic limit orders, neutral network-based analytical tools, an integrated risk management system. They also offer zero-code algo trading systems, an insurance fund, support for tokenized assets, and comprehensive portfolio analytics. It's also worth mentioning that the platform also offers 24/7 professional user support and a transparent settlement model. As you can see, their ecosystem features a well-structured token distribution, ensuring long-term growth and stability. Their key allocations include 4% for the pre-seed round with $1 million raised, 6% for the seed round raising $2.1 million, and 4% for the private round with $2 million in funds. Strategic partnerships and ecosystem rewards each will receive 15%, fostering community engagement and expansion. The core team holds 12%, aligning their interest with project success, while 10% is reserved for liquidity. This balanced tokenomics model, coupled with significant fundraising, positions this project for sustainable development and as well a robust market presence. And if we look ahead in the future, you can see that they plan to launch its trading board and Smart DOM in the first quarter of 2024. And besides this, in the first quarter of 2024 as well, they plan integration of 1x Algo in the main board. And the scale-up phase, which is happening from Q2 24 to Q1 25, will see connections with major platforms like CQG, Rhythmic, Ucoin, Bitfinance, and Gate.IR. In conclusion, guys, if you're a trader seeking a comprehensive, efficient, and AI-powered platform, be sure to check out 1x. You can visit their website, follow them on social media, and stay tuned for their upcoming exchange listings and exciting developments. That would be it for today's video, guys. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like it, share it, and comment your thoughts below. Also, if you're not a member of our community, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more crypto insights. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.